Hey guys, what's up? So I've got a tutorial here today on how to play games in full screen on Samsung DeX. So I'm using a Galaxy S9 Plus with Android 8 Oreo on it. And yes, so let's start off by learning how to launch games in full screen mode on Samsung DeX. So as you guys might have noticed that when you launch some games, your games doesn't launch in full screen. For instance, let's launch Hill Climb Racing. Hill Climb Racing. You'll see that Hill Climb Racing automatically launches in this. As you can see, that Hill Climb Racing automatically launches in this small window, and you can't resize the window, and there isn't a maximize button either for the window. Okay, so when you have this problem in games, then there is two things that I recommend you do. So actually there's three things I recommend. Okay, so the first thing is to go to the Play Store and download the Desktop Hub app. Let's go to the Play Store. Let's look for the Desktop Hub. Then get this Desktop Hub app for you, and you will see later now. But basically, this app helps you to enhance your Android desktop experience. Okay, and as soon as you have this app, then go into the app and enable Desktop Enhanced Mode. Okay, enable this. And then also the second thing that you should do is go to your settings. Okay, and then go to your Samsung DeX settings, and then about Samsung DeX, and then keep pressing on this until developer mode enables. So currently yours should be like this. Then click here 5 or 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can see it asks here, turn on developer options. Then click OK, and then developer options is now turned on. So make sure that developer options is turned on, and that you have the Desktop Hub app with Desktop Enhanced enabled. Okay. And when you click here, then you'll see you have an option here, Meta plus up. And the Meta key is the Windows key. So when you press Meta plus up, then games will automatically go to full screen. Okay. But okay, and the first thing that I recommend is that you launch your games through the game launcher. So use the game launcher app. As you can see, let's go here and search for game launcher. So this is the game launcher app, and I recommend that you launch your games with the game launcher app, because the game launcher app has a full screen option here. As you can see, full screen. So you can launch. So when you launch an app or a game through the game launcher, then it should be able to launch the game in full screen when you have this enabled. So let's try and launch a game, such as, for instance, I know that Minecraft did not work before in full screen mode because of this. Let's launch it now, and boom! Now Minecraft launches in full screen mode. Let's just exit it now. I don't want to play Minecraft now. Let's close Minecraft. Okay, so let's try and now run Hill Climb Racing through the game launcher app with developer mode enabled, and as well as the Desktop Hub Enhanced mode enabled. And as you can see, it still does not work. So in the worst case scenario, when games does not want to launch in full screen mode, even when you have the Desktop Hub app installed with developer mode enabled, as well. Oh wait, you can just press the Windows key up. So let's press the Windows key and up. Oh, so it works now. So clearly the Desktop Hub Enhanced mode actually helped this game to launch in full screen mode. So this works. But let's say that this did not work in the worst case scenario, when this does not work. So when none of the three things works, then there's a fourth way, and that is to go to the Play Store and install a different app, and this is the DeX Max app. So DeX Max tweaked for Samsung DeX. I don't install this app because I've never had the need to use it. So for all of my games and apps, runs in full screen mode somehow. And then you can basically use this app to change the APKs of games and apps, and basically this app DeX injects some code into the game or app that allows it for full screen mode, and then it gives you a new APK file that you can install and use on your PC, which will then make the game go in full screen. So in worst case scenario, which I have not yet reached, you can install this app, and then your games and apps should run in full screen. I know on Android 7 apparently some of stuff I mentioned does not work, but on Android 8, which is what I have, it all seems to be working fine. So yes, guys, my 3 ways for you is to launch games through the game launcher, have developer mode enabled for Samsung DeX, as well as have the desktop hub app installed with desktop enhanced enabled, because then you can press meta key plus up, which is the Windows key plus up for full screen, if it doesn't work already with the game launcher and developer mode. And all games should run fine in full screen mode. We can try it out. For instance, let's run Rayman, for instance. Rayman launches fine. Let's try a different game. Let's try Badland. Badland launches fine in full screen mode. Let's try Into the Dead. Launches in full screen mode. Let's try Assassin's Creed Identity. It launches fine in full screen mode. Let's try Power Rangers. It launches in full screen mode. Let's try Need for Speed No Limits. Launches in full screen mode. Let's try Final Fantasy 15. It works in full screen mode. I've never had so many apps open. Let's try Suicide Squad Special Ops. It's lagging. Let's just close some apps now. We have too many stuff open. All of these games easily launch in full screen mode, as you can see. So yes, guys, that's basically my tutorial on how to launch games in full screen mode on your Samsung DeX. And if you use these ways, then everything should work fine. Let's just close Rayman. Okay, nice. It's still recording. Yes. Okay, so yes, guys, that's my 3 ways, maybe 4 ways, depending on your system. If the first 3 ways doesn't work, but here's 3 ways mainly, 4 ways on how to make games run in full screen mode, as well as other apps you might have on your Android phone. So yes, guys, if you enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you in any way, then make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video and subscribe for more videos. Also, if you have any questions about Samsung DeX, you can leave the questions down in the comments, and I will check it out and answer them if I know the answer. Also, if you have any apps or games that you would like for me to try out on Samsung DeX, then you can leave them down in the comments, and I will try those games or apps out for you. And yes, that's basically it for this video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.